Crazy creative kitchen. If you're wondering what we're doing is we're blending chicken. So we're blending some chicken thighs and some chicken breasts with a couple eggs. You're wondering what the hell's going on. Today we're making chicken nuggets. So today I'm gonna make you fantastic chicken nuggets like you would get at McDonald's or Wendy's or Burger King. So I'm gonna drop this recipe for my stay home series. So today we're making chicken nuggets. So if you're stuck in the house, you have, and it's basic, it has most of the stuff that you would have in your house. So what I do is I take some chicken thighs, some cleaned chicken thighs, and take some chicken tenders, and I'm gonna chop those up. I'm gonna put them in a blender. I'm gonna blend them. I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs to it. I'm gonna add some chicken spice, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna take all that and I'm gonna mix it with some fresh breadcrumbs and some penko breadcrumbs. So after I did that, I'm gonna mix all that together. So I've already blended my chicken. So I mean, this is what it looks like after it's been blended. Now it's like it's all like tuna. Looks like tuna, whatever. But so I'm gonna take all that. I'm gonna add my spices, right, and then I'm gonna bread them again. So after that, we're gonna roll them into our desired sizes, and then we're gonna blend them. So we're gonna re-bread them again. Then we're gonna put it in our freezer, and then after that, we're gonna cook them off. We're gonna fry them. So let's get into the video. You have any questions? Hit up the comment section. Hit that like button. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Check out my series of my stay home series. I got a whole playlist. Check that out. And thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for supporting the channel. Yours truly, Crazy Chef. So I added my breadcrumbs, I added my spices. So now what we're gonna do is we mix that up, and then we're gonna portion them. So this is what it looks like when we already blended it. So whatever. This is just to show you what happened. So what I'm gonna do now is, so I got regular flour, I got my eggs. So I'm gonna whisk up my eggs with a fork. I'm gonna add some water to it. I don't wanna add milk. I don't wanna add milk, so I'm just gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna add my penko breadcrumbs, but I'm gonna add some paprika to it so I get that color. So I'm gonna add some paprika to my breadcrumbs so I get that color, and then we're gonna go through the process. So, see, I've talked about this process before, this dry, wet, dry process. That's like a standard for when you bread stuff. You know, you give that so the flour, so you dip it in flour, the flour coats whatever you're doing, then you dip it in the egg gets it wet, and then you dip it in the breadcrumbs or whatever that would be, and because of the egg being wet, it stays on there, so you can mold it into the desired shape that you want. So we're making right now we're making our nuggets. I mean, it's a little process, but as I said, this are like stuff you can do with your kids. So there's no rush. There's no rush when you do these things. And don't forget, hit that like button if you didn't hit it before. If it's your first time on this channel, see that red subscribe button right down below. Hit the red subscribe button so hit the notification bell so when I post videos, you'll get notified and you can watch, you can support. And as always, Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. So now we're molding our nuggets, and then after that we're gonna put it in our freezer. So now we've have all our nuggets ready. We've put them in our freezer. We're gonna get ready to fry them. So we put them in our heated pan, put them in our oil, and now we wait for the magic. So now we're waiting for the magic to happen. Fantastic nuggets in the comfort of your own house. Crazy Creative Kitchen. And if you make it this far, drop me a comment, tell me what you think, tell me, and you can shape them too, but you can shape them in like little molds or little shapes. You could cut them with a cookie cutter. I mean, you can do whatever you like to make it look however you want it to look. But this is just me making one, but you can do whatever you want. As I say always, you can add whatever you want, you can take away whatever you want. It's up to you how you want your nuggets to look. You can make them into little birds, you can make them into little cows, whatever. It's up to you. You can make it fun. You know, you make this stuff with your kids, you make it fun. But me personally, I'm just making them like that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe.